In this video we are having an awesome tank war just because I got a little bit bored, but the video is cut up into different sections and you see it as it progresses because the video is way too long. But the white in real time actually turns into like a flashing of colors in slow motion, so that was really cool. But other than that, thanks for watching and please enjoy the video. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video and thank you for almost getting me to 100 subscribers already. That is awesome for such a new channel like this. So yeah, I just want to say thank you, and for my video around 100 subscribers I'll have some explosions. I got a kiwi, or a couple kiwis, peach, tomato, and some gelatin to finish it off. So it should be pretty awesome and I'll think you like it. Thanks for watching.